Hello friends, today I wanted to unbox package that I got lately, and it is Australia and Bailey bow, but it's different model as it is Bailey bow Shimmer. I've got it on Black Friday sale and it got to me lately, maybe not so lately, a few days ago. So let's open it. So box looks like this. And here looks like this, and let's open it. So it looks like this. It comes with this booklet. And here is the first board. It looks like this. So it is in color chestnut. And it's by label number 2. So it's version 2, and version 2 is water resistant. And back of it looks like this. It has new tag, which is leather one. It has 2 bows that are 2 colors. So it has a brown one, and on this side is gray one. Other differences, I guess it's the same as Bailey bow, it's just different this kind. And inside it looks like it comes with this inside. And here it has nice white, creamy color fur. It comes also with this one, and then I bought it in size 9. Here is the tag inside. This part is made from sheepskin and it's water resistant, as they say. What else to say here? Just cute book. Let's remove this. This stuff, I don't know what. With this. Fur is nice and fluffy. This part is sewn together to the tongue, so it doesn't come undone, which was my concern in past. And they are nice chestnut color, really thick fur, but it's kind of like matte finish. I would prefer when it would be more shiny, and I would like when it would be a little lighter, but it's still nice. So in this model looks like this. It has new thread light, improved sole. They are more flexible, more tracking, and more, I guess it's flexible, but not too much. But this foam is more squishy, so it's more comfortable to wear. And tag looks like this. They are original, as I got them at Australia, and they were on sale as it was Black Friday. So I got them on sale, and also I got some rewards coupon, so it was cheaper than originally. So both looks like this. It looks very cute, and I really wanted this color, and they were on sale, and I wanted this color because I like that in this color there is a difference between, there are two colors. It's fur, which is light, and skin, sheepskin is brown, so I like this two shade color, like two colors, as it's a little cuter, I think, but if it would be just one color. So yeah, and this is how they look from close up. And here's sole. It says they are real fur from lamb. Fur has been artificially dyed and treated. Fur origin is Australia, but product is made in Vietnam. So yeah, let's try them on. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, as I have another one in future to unbox. So see you in the next one. Bye.